Hi guys, welcome back to another video with the real Leverly, and in today's video we're going to be doing something really cool today. As you can see from the thumbnail, we're going to be making a rainbow cloud balloon arch. Oh, it's something that I've always wanted to do because I feel like it is like really cool, but it looked hard. But I've been, practicing and watching videos, and I think I got it. So let's go. This is rainbow. Rainbow have all the colors, so they're all the same size. I have blue, purple, yellow, green, red, and orange. I'm going to be using these 6 colors today for this arch, and also some white balloons for the clouds. I have some leftover white balloons from my last video. If you haven't seen it, please click the link down below. It's the Valentine's Day hoop backdrop. So I have some balloons from that one. They didn't pop, so I'm gonna use some of that, and also blow up some really small ones to add to the cloud and make it fluffy, because clouds are fluffy. So yeah, so I bought this balloon sizer on Amazon because for the rainbow arch, your balloons have to be a certain size. Like they're going from small to large, or from large to small, any way you want to call it. So I decided to get this balloon sizer so all my balloons could be perfect. I have 6 balloons, but I'm gonna make 3 different sizes. Some people do 6 different sizes, but when I looked at this sizer, the sizes are like really big, only like 3 small sizes, and I don't want to go too big, so I feel like I'm just gonna be doing 3 sizes. And I see some people do 3 sizes and they look good, so that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna label it to make sure I don't get mixed up. So my first 2 sets of balloons, I'm gonna make the same size. Second set's the same size, and the third set's the same size. Some people use the balloon sizer for all their balloon decorations, but I don't do that because I don't feel like I need it. But for this particular project, I do need it. And I also have some command strips that I'm going to be putting on the wall to hang the arch, because it's not for an event. It's just for the sake of this video. So I'm just going to hang it up to show you guys how you can hang it. And I'm using command strips because they're easy to come off the wall. I don't want to use any like tacks or nails, Okay guys, so using the balloon sizer was really time consuming. All I did was blow 2 at a time and then measure it in the first hole that I marked 1. And I have to make sure that they're the same exact size, since those are the 2 colors that's going to be going together. And for the rest of the balloons, that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be making sure that the 2 colors that I'm putting together are the same exact size. So I blow them up, and while I'm trying to make sure that it's the same size as the hole on the sizer, I just simply let some air out and let it go down to the size that I want it to go to. Guys, these are all the balloons I have blown up so far. I'm not really sure how many clusters there are, but I'll be sure to list it up there somewhere so you guys know exactly how many balloons should use for this particular arch. But yeah, let's go put it together. I'm excited. Okay, so in order to put my balloons together, I'm going to be using fishing line. I don't normally use fishing line. I normally use ribbons for my balloon garland for this, but for this particular arch, I need to use fishing line. So the balloon, because the balloons need to be, as tight as possible. So what you see me doing is taking my fishing line and I'm tying it as much time as I can. I think I did like 3 to 4 ties just to make sure that the base is secure, because that little cluster is the base of my whole arch. And then I'm taking another cluster and putting it right on top of that little crease. So I'm putting all the both crease together, taking the fishing line, your ribbon or whatever, wrap it around your new balloon, then around an existing balloon, and you do that as much time as possible just to make sure that the balloons are secured. The goal is to keep all the colors on one side. Like, I'm gonna try my best to keep all the blues on one side and all the purple balloons on the other side, just so when it's time to put them together, I won't have to be twisting and making sure that everything is in place. 3 of my clusters. I'm going to be putting them together, and I'm going to make sure I tie them as tight and close as possible. So first I'm taking my blue and my purple cluster and tying it to the yellow and the green one. Then I'm going to be taking the red and the orange one and tying it onto the yellow and the green one. And I'm going to be using my fishing line so that it could be real secured. I'm going to be putting 3 knots on it, 2 on the ends and 1 in the middle. So yeah. So this is where I'm at so far. So far so good. And even though this side is longer, don't worry about it because all the white balloons as the clouds are gonna cover all that. So don't worry about the size, but I'm just getting ready to put on that last piece to make it a full rainbow. Then I start to add all the clouds. So yeah, stay tuned. This is how the rainbow looks so far before I add the clouds. It's not too big, but it's bigger than I thought it would be. So I don't know how it's gonna look when I put it up on the wall, but for right now it's like really wide, as you can see. But I like the pastel colors, they're really cute together. And I'm just gonna add all the white balloons for the cloud. And the cloud, you know, clouds are always like out of shape, so that's the look that I'm going for. I don't want them all to be the same size, so I'm gonna have big, small, like really medium size white balloons, then add them to both sides of the rainbow. And I'm just gonna be using some strings because I want to save my fishing line for when I actually have events, so I don't waste it all on home projects. So I'm gonna be using some strings. I'm using pink string. It's not gonna show, so it don't matter what color string you use. I'm gonna be adding the larger balloons first, and then add the smaller balloons around it to give it that kind of fluff look. So I'm gonna just be adding it all over both the sides. And as I said, you don't have to worry about this being longer because it's gonna be hidden with the white balloons anyway. So all I'm doing is just adding the balloon onto the rainbow, just like when you're doing a garland. I'm just wrapping it around. Yeah, so this garland is way bigger than I thought it would be, but it's still small, but it's way bigger than I thought it would be. So I had to hang it up on the wall with my command strips. I use 2 at first, but then at the end of the video, you'll see that I only stuck to one. But I hung it up on the wall so it would be easier for me to add my other set of clouds. And yeah, I really like it already. It's coming out so beautiful. If you guys did like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Give this video a thumbs up. Share it. Comment down below what else you'd like to see on my channel. And yeah, thank you guys for watching always. And don't forget to subscribe to The Real Loverly. Bye.